Okay, we're all finished here. Just finished the top coat. You can see all the details. We're able to get chips underneath these cabinets, so it looks like it's sitting on top of the cabinets, or rather the cabinets are sitting on top of the floor. Did some repairs over here. The expansion joints all filled in, sanded and filled. This garage didn't actually have a regular apron. It had it like sort of where it just faded off into the driveway. So it was very easy to just chip that in with the rest of the floor. Looks good.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.